Basta don't touch.
Liam!
Ayaw daw i-touch ang red.
Liam! 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 Green! Green! Touch the green! Touch the green!
Ayaw gumiti ang color red.
Liam!
Basta man.
Liam! Touch the green! Green!
O wala sila i-touch. So, balik sa sila.
Liam! Green!
Again, mag-touch na basing unsa, basta dili lang ang color na akong giingon.
English daw! Liam!
Ay, English! Oh my God, wala nang paani. Okay. Touch, maganda lang kasabot. Don't touch daw. If I say red, don't touch the color red. You can touch any of this color instead, aside sa red. Okay, nagets? Amy, Cyrene, and Zane? Nagets? Okay, sige na. Practice. Don't touch the color green. Oh, touch on any color.
Touch the pink!
Touch. Touch. Yan na. Okay. So again. Okay. Okay, don't touch the color pink.
Green!
Don't touch the color pink. Sige, touch sa table.
Duga kita mga manani!
Don't touch the color pink. Sige. Pink. Okay, we have a winner, si Kuya Zale. Okay. Okay, sige. Okay na. Okay, thank you, Zale. Sige, move for... Okay, next natin si Kaya at ating scholar. Okay, kids, ay ato lang ha.